Good morning. This is Piyali Ghosh, your teacher. Today I will teach you geography for class 7. Geography কি? Geography হলো ভূগোল। ভূগোল মানে পৃথিবীকে জানা। পৃথিবীকে জানতে গেলে প্রথমেই একটি পার্ট আমরা পড়ে নেব। তার একটি পার্ট হলো এনভায়রনমেন্ট। হোয়াট ইজ এনভায়রনমেন্ট? এনভায়রনমেন্টের অর্থ পরিবেশ। হোয়াট ইজ এনভায়রনমেন্ট? এভরিথিং সারাউন্ড আস is called environment. I mean the place, the things. People, things and nature that surround us is called environment. তাহলে আমাদের চারপাশে যা কিছু আমরা দেখি সেটা আমাদের পরিবেশের অন্তর্গত। It provide us the air we breathe, the water we can drink, the soil we use, the food we can eat. Look at here. The environment can be divided into two parts: natural environment and human environment. Also, natural environment divided into two parts: physical environment and biological environment. Next, look at this picture. We can see birds, sun, mountain, plants, land, river. Every natural things that belong to the environment are natural environment. Okay. This is a picture of human environment. A factory, building, aeroplane, cars, road. Human created things are called human environment. This human made environment gives place for the people to live, work, educate and recreate their needs for their day-to-day needs. Look, here are some biotic components or living things and abiotic components or non-living things. Biotic component and abiotic components are the part of natural environment. লিভিং থিংস বলতে আমরা কোনগুলোকে বোঝাচ্ছি? যাদের প্রাণ আছে তাদেরকেই আমরা বলবো বায়োটিক কম্পোনেন্টস। দোজ হু আর অ্যালাইভ অর বায়োটিক কম্পোনেন্টস আর দ্য বায়োলজিক্যাল এনভায়রনমেন্ট। এক্সাম্পল: প্লান্টস, অ্যানিমাল, ব্যাকটেরিয়া, ফাঙ্গাস, প্রোটিস্ট, এটসেট্রা। অর আদার সাইড নন লিভিং থিংস কোনগুলোকে বলবো? যাদের মধ্যে প্রাণ নেই। Non-living things are the physical environment. Example: water, soil, air, mineral, light. Now, students, open your book, turn page number 88. Now, read with me. The earth is the home of human beings and other living organisms. This is possible due to the presence of favorable living conditions which make up their environment. The term environment refers to all the external conditions in which an organism lives. It comes from the French word environ, which means to surround. Natural environment includes an organism's physical and biological environment. Physical environment comprises of the non-living or abiotic components like land, water and air. It is also known as the habitat of the organisms. Biological environment comprises of the biotic components like human beings, plants, animals and even the microbial organisms. Human environment is formed by human beings. His creations such as roads, bridges, etc. and the social, economic, political and other conditions in which he lives. There is an interdependence of the two components. The biological environment depends on the physical environment for its various needs. The physical environment sustains the biological environment. The two interact with one another in the biosphere, exchanging matter and energy. Groups of plants and animals depend on each other for shade, support, and food requirements. In the biosphere, even a given area, plant life, animal life, and their physical environment with their interactions from an ecosystem. Natural environment. The natural environment includes both biotic and abiotic components. The biotic components comprise plants and animals, whereas biotic components comprise air, water, and soil. So, students, you will read this chapter from the earth to natural environment, like me, and draw pictures of natural and human environment with definition and example. This is your home task.